Dear students, here starts the series on careers after engineering. The first career which I have chosen is the aerospace engineering. Whether you enjoy solving technical challenges or being creative and innovative, aerospace engineering opens up opportunities in a range of industries from automotive to finance and IT. There are 5 specializations in aerospace engineering. Every graduate, while having a basic knowledge of all 5 divisions, specializes in one of these fields. Number 1 is aerodynamics, propulsion, structures, dynamics and control, design and systems engineering. So here are the 7 jobs which you can enter into if you study aerospace engineering. As a materials engineer, you will be responsible for working with various materials to improve their performance or creating new materials to help advanced technologies in the products. As an aerodynamics engineer, you will research, design, develop and maintain and test the performance of civil and military aircraft, satellites and space vehicles. As a control and instrumentation engineer, you will be responsible for designing, developing, installing, managing and processes. As a design engineer, you are involved in the initial concept, design, development and management of projects in a range of sectors such as construction and the built environment, materials, software, components, machinery and vehicles. Next is propulsion engineer. Propulsion usually refers to the engine technology which supplies the energy needed to get an aircraft from the end of a runway into the air and keep it there. And people usually think of the jet engine or a single twin propeller engines seen on large and small passenger planes. Next is academic researcher. As an academic researcher, you will apply your expertise and skills developed through study and research. The last one is manufacturing systems engineer. As a manufacturing systems engineer, you will work as a part of a team to design, install, monitor and develop manufacturing equipment and assembly lines in a factory. So here are the exit opportunities when you complete your studies in aerospace engineering. Then since the students of aerospace engineering are known to have a strong background in mathematics, they have various exit opportunities. They can join the finance company as an analyst, they can join the insurance companies, they can join the big data analytics, and also jobs where computational skills are required. Next, they can also join the consultancy firms as an analyst. Companies where you can join after studying aerospace engineering are Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Defense Research and Development Laboratories, Indian Space Research Organization, Civil Aviation Department, Air India, Tata Advanced Systems, Mahindra Aerospace, Taneja Aerospace, L&T, Samtel Avionics, Pavan Hans Helicopters, Aeronautical Development Agency, that is ADA, Aeronautical Development Establishment, that is ADE, National Aerospace Laboratories, and the salary package is 10 to 15 lakhs per annum. So if you really want to pursue a career in aerospace engineering, then you can start right now when you are in class 11 studying the science stream with mathematics. Thank you.